kann man nichts helfen. Das nächste ist wieder eine Übersetzung aus dem Österreichischen ins Englische. Ein auch sehr bekanntes Lied kommt im Watzmann vor. All I read to you. Ich habe mal als Titel hergenommen eine Zeile von den Beatles. All you need is love. What sounds from above? All you need is love. Cool, cool. What sounds from above? All you need is love. Cool, cool. I just can't get enough. All you need is love. I stand up to my knees. It was a cows or shits and peas. Green is the grass, the greenhouse gas is such a mess. And the farmer with his plow says I'm gonna yodel now. He does it loud and round, and it echoes from above. All you need is love. Cool, cool. Under a sky with silken clouds, whiskers milk out of the cows, and it's so fresh and cold before it's old. The old chap that prefers mine, 'cause it makes him feel so fine. When he has enough, he hears the echo from above. All you need is love. Cool, cool. All you need is love. All you need is love. All you need is love. Love, love, love is all you need. Then I went astray, headed downhill on my way, and it smells just like hell, I can tell. With her fork and maiden tickles me until I start to giggle like a white-winged dove. It echoes softly from above. All you need is love. Cool, cool. All you need is love. All you need is love. All you need is love. Love, love. Love is all you need. Cool. Ja, danke. Oi, oi, oi.